Ladies and gentlemen, in a world propelled by innovation and confronted with the urgent need for sustainable solutions, I stand before you today to explore a transformative frontier that holds promise not only for our environment, but for our dinner plates as well. Lab grown meat. This new technology is challenging the established norms of our food production systems, even if it sounds like a wild laboratory experiment. It is located at the nexus of scientific innovation and ethical issues. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of lab grown meat, a revolutionary approach that has the potential to reshape not only our dining habits, but the very foundations of how we interact with our planet. Unlike other meat alternatives such as Impossible and Beyond, lab meat is derived from actual animal cells. Therefore, it is not vegan. It is grown through a process known as cellular agriculture. Let's talk about beef, for example. Plant-based meat will use yeast, vegetables, and other vegan items to replicate the texture, taste, and smell of beef. Scientists will start the process off with actual cow stem cells, which are the building blocks of its muscles and its organs. To encourage muscle cell growth and multiplication, cells are cultured in petri dishes with carbohydrates and supplemented with amino acids. The meat will resemble ground beef once muscle fibers have been developed. This is a fairly new industry, therefore, production is relatively expensive. The first lab grown hamburger was created in 2012 and cost around $325,000. The technology involved, along with the precision required in the laboratory setting, contributes to higher initial costs. According to startup Dutch firm Mosameat, if they are successful in reaching large-scale production, the price per kilogram may approach around $80. Therefore, a 5-ounce burger would be over $11, according to this calculation. Now, you may be wondering, why are we going through this much trouble? Large cattle farms produce several problems that range from environmental to ethical. Globally, greenhouse gas emissions from agriculture are mostly caused by cattle. A single cow will belch around 220 pounds of methane annually. According to Matoner, a professor and specialist in air quality at the Department of Animal Science, methane is shorter lived, but it is 28 times more effective in warming the environment. High cattle concentrations also have potential to alter water quality characteristics, to the point that downstream consumers may be at risk for health problems. Body waste excretion into or uh, close to streams can cause harmful bacteria, phosphorus, and nitrogen compounds to enter the water. Finally, the unethical conditions of slaughterhouses. Animals are transported in poor conditions for days at a time without food and water and standing in their own waste. They are probed, electrocuted, and often killed inhumanely due to poor training and employees simply not caring, and end up suffering an unbearable amount of pain. As we reflect on the expanding era of lab grown meat, it becomes clear that this innovative approach holds the potential to usher in a transformative chapter in our global food narrative. We currently face problems in production and effectiveness, but as technology advances, so will our attitudes towards animal cruelty and our responsibility for maintaining our world. Thank you.